Hello everyone, my name is Andy. Today is Friday, October 20th. Time is around 6 a.m. GMT, and we will have a look at the NASDAQ futures on the Wanda platform. So we will also do the higher time frame analysis, and therefore I start in the weekly, and my take on the NASDAQ is that we made a wave 1 high right here. We came down as a wave 2, and I think now we are working on a wave 3 in the higher degree. So you can see our target right here. Of course, we do not go there in as a straight line. We have to go there as 5 waves. So now I believe we are working on this wave 1 right here. So this is quite a bullish scenario. As you can see right now, we are here in a bearish cycle. So it's definitely worth to consider also bearish scenarios. And here in the weekly, excuse me, I would say that could be. So I'm calling for the wave 2 low in right here, but it could be that we have a flat structure here, and that would mean that the wave 2 is not finished yet. But then what we would see is, so we came down here as a wave A then in 3, 1, 2, 3, wave A. Then this structure here is a corrective structure as a wave B. So flat structure, we come quite close to the all-time high we made, and then from here we should have an impulse down as a wave C. So that could be a bearish scenario in the weekly. For the moment, I'm not really paying much attention to this scenario because, current price action is right here. The low is here. There is quite some separation. And if you want to be bearish, there are actually some other scenarios in between that are better to consider because they are more realistic at this moment. So for now, I don't think we have to put much energy on a drop from here till back to this area. From an Elliott Wave point of view, this would be a perfect, this would be a valid count. But let's stick to the more realistic ones right now. And if we get additional data that suggests this kind of pattern or this kind of move, then we will change our focus in time. But so for now, I think we can focus here on the count in green, my primary scenario, and then if we go to the daily. So I believe we are working here on this wave 1, like I told you in the weekly. And so what we have so far, in my opinion, is a wave 1, a wave 2. This is our wave 3, and we are currently working on the wave 4. So we are for the moment in wave 4 area. If we take the length here of our wave 3, then our wave 3 is supposed to go here between the 0.146 and the 0.618 FIB retracement. So as you can see, we have quite some space here, I would say, where we can see further price action. There might be a chance, or in a previous scenario or in my previous analysis, I called for the wave 4 low in right here, as it is now shown here with this WXY in red, so my secondary scenario. And then it means that we should start to move up from here as a fifth wave. But if I look here at this price action, for me, it looks corrective and not really impulsive. So therefore, I tend to believe that we will see that we will take out this low right here, and that we will see more downside as a wave 4. And then I think the path we will follow is here a WXY as indicated in green, and that would mean that this WXY pattern here in red was just the first leg, was just the first W here. Now we should be doing a wave X, or we did a wave X, and then we should come down as wave Y again in 3, 1, 2, 3. So then next on the 4-hour, here you see what I just explained, but with a bit more detail. You also see the subwaves here, but yeah, this is actually not really important anymore. What counts is from here. So here, as I told you, we have an till this point we had a mature corrective move as a WXY. We did not reach the equal leg areas. I also warned for this, that this might not happen this time in the NASDAQ, because the other indices reached their equal leg area. The NASDAQ did not. The other indices started to turn up, and then, of course, the NASDAQ has to follow. But okay, this is still a valid corrective move here as a WXY. So then for a moment, I thought that the wave 4 might be in right here. But now I seriously doubt this, because in my opinion here this structure is corrective. So like for me, I see 3 waves in this structure. I see 1, 2, 3, and 3 waves are corrective. Of course, if you see 5 waves in this structure, then the Elliott wave count changes. Then it means that this is a first impulse, this is a wave 1, this is a wave 2, and then we should have a wave 3. So this could be a scenario, but for me this is not 5 waves right now. I see 3 waves in this. This is also ending way too strong. So therefore, here in RSI, I mean, so therefore, I would say this is 3 waves, 1, 2, 3, and we just have here in this third wave 5 clear sub waves, something like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, something like this. Let me see on the 1 hour, around the 15 minutes. No, yeah, I didn't label it, but it also does not really matter anymore. So if this is 3 waves, I think we are doing this WXY correction. But there is a very important note I have to make here. As you can see, the NASDAQ reached the wave X area. So actually the wave X can be perfectly in right here, because we have 3 waves, 1, 2, 3, and we reached the wave X area right here. So this correction up here is a mature correction. There's no question about that. So if this is our wave X, then it can mean that we do not longer hold this low here in the short run. We can simply break it. However, the reason that I call for this kind of move as a wave X, so as a WXY, so that we go up one more time from here into the area, is solely based on the other indices. It looks like they need an upward move to finish a structure. So therefore, I'm calling for this kind of move, WXY. But if we would look solely at the Nasdaq, then this can be then this is enough. This is our wave X, and we can turn down from here. So the question is a bit. Will the Nasdaq follow the other indices, or will the other indices follow the Nasdaq? So yeah, there is not really, I would say, consistency among the indices. It looks like they are not really in sync for this moment. So therefore, yeah, we can go both ways. But yeah, I will favor this discount, the WXY, like this. But please know that yeah, we can be finished right here as a wave X. Then if we go to the 1 hour, so if we have our WXY structure right here, then it becomes really time to turn, I would say. Of course, there is a bit more space for a bit more downside, but so first of all, we reached here the wave X area, like this, the area between the 0.5 and the 0.854 FIB retracement, this wave X area. And so now we are also here in the equal leg area of our wave Y. So if we take the length of the wave W, the length of the wave X, then here, this area between the 1 and the 1.618 FIB extension is the area from where we should react. And if we react from here, I'm expecting 3 waves up, 1, 2, 3, as a wave Y into this area, and at least taking out this high right here. Then we would have the WXY correction. Okay, that's my analysis for today. If you enjoyed it, please like, subscribe, comment to support my work. And I see you back on Monday for another analysis of the lower time frame. Have a nice day. Bye bye.